Do you want to know how you can download Tubi in your PC? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. This video I'm going to show you how you can download Tubi. So go to tubitv.com, scroll down and click Get It from Microsoft. Click on Open and then it will lead you to this page from the Microsoft Store. Open it and then you can see Tubi. Click on Get, wait for a while, and shortly after it will be installed. Keep your patience as it might take some time according to your download speed. After it's done, click on Open and you can enjoy Tubi as it is downloaded in your PC. Now you can go ahead and sign into your account, or you can register your account if you don't have one. I have an account, so I will go with Google and log in with my Google account. And congratulations, you have now downloaded and logged in to your Tubi TV account. You can now watch Tubi TV directly from your store or from your app. So this is how you download Tubi TV in your PC. Simply go to tubitv.com, scroll down and click on Get It from Microsoft. It will lead you to Microsoft Store or a separate browser, and then you can download it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.